Hey guys, it's Bren with Kindred Acres. I did a video earlier today talking about the wood chip gardening and lasagna gardening and stuff, and I forgot to add something to that I really wanted to talk about. I want to show you how easy it is to pull the weeds up when you use this style, because it's so soft and moist below. All the roots come right up. Not always, but about 90% of the times. You just give it a grab, a little wiggle, and look at that. The whole thing comes up, root and all. Look at this big one here. Let's try and get this guy out. Give it a shake. Everything came up. So easy to get weeds up because it's so soft below and moist. And now all this, look at that. That's perfect compost material. That'll go in either some compost tea, and then the remains will go into the chicken yard, or I'll just put the whole thing in the chicken yard and let them scratch at it until it decomposes. But that's just one added benefit of doing this style gardening. So it goes to show you, I mean, we walk all over the place in here, and you would think, and I drive my tractor in here, and with the pull cart full of wood chips, which is pretty heavy, and you would think that this would be compacted, but it's not. No matter where you go to try and pull a weed, and the whole thing comes up, roots and all, because it's so soft and so moist, evenly moist, that it's just super easy to get stuff out that you don't want. Oftentimes what I do is, like you'll see right here, I just pull them up and I flip them. Oh, looks like that was a strawberry one that Kaliah pulled up. And I just flip them root side up, and I just let them decompose right there. I'll just let them dry out in the sun, and the sun kills it. And then I just leave it there. Let me see if I can find a spot where we did that today. Look, see all these here? Those are already dried up. And I'll just leave them there, part of my chop and drop, so to speak. I did that here too, look. Roots up. Look at this. Look how big that root was. Roots up on top of the wood chips. They'll dry out. They'll decompose. They turn to more food for the soil. So, yeah, I mean, we haven't laid down new wood chips in a while. So I'm seeing more weeds creep in, but they're so easy to get out. So you just stay on top of it and it won't be an issue. Or another option, since this is thinning out, it's decomposed so much that there isn't any fresh wood chips up top, you could just lay another layer of wood chips, and that'll give you some added protection. Even these wild garlic, let me see if I can get this one up. Most of the time, look at that, the whole thing just popped right out of the ground. A lot of times they break. When I try and rip those up in the yard, they break and you don't get the whole bulb. This thing came out bulb and all. Look at that. Roots, bulb, the whole thing. That's how easy it is to get stuff out, because the soil is so soft and beautiful. So I just wanted to share that extra benefit to why I wood chip garden. So thanks for checking it out. With lots of love, Bren from Kindred Acres.